Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra, what the release date is, what is the price, and also if you're going to trade in your old Samsung device, what are the enhanced trade-in values for your existing smartphone. In this video, that's exactly what we're going to talk about, so let's dive in and start right away. Let's first talk about the release date. So there's the announcement date, which is going to be August the 5th, and that's when Samsung is going to announce their products at Samsung.com, and you'll be able to stream the whole event live. And then we have the actual release date / street date, which is going to be either August 20 or 21st, most likely 21st, which means that's when you'll be able to get your hands on the actual product. Now, if you pre-order your Samsung smartphone, you'll most likely get it a little bit before the actual release date. If you go to the store, such as Best Buy or Attn, you'll only be able to get it on the actual release date. But if you do want it a little bit early, you can place an order online at Samsung.com. Now let's move on and talk about the price. What's the pricing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20? That's the smaller version. The smaller version is going to be around the ballpark of $1,000. Could be $900, could be $1,000, but that's going to be the ballpark of the price that we are looking at. Now, if you want the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which I think most people are going to go for, you're going to have to shell out either $1,300 or $1,400. That's what the price is going to be around. We have some conflicting report from various sources. Some people are saying $1,300, some people are saying $1,400, but that's the ballpark. Let's be honest, there's not a huge difference between $1,300 or $1,400. They're both extremely high price tags, but that's what the price is going to be. Now let's move on and talk about the trade-in values. So here's the information that I have on the actual trade-in values for these smartphones. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and you want to trade that in, how much are you going to get for it? So let's go over all the various trade-in options. Let me pull up my chart over here. All right, so if you have a Samsung device, let's say you have a Note 10 5G, a Note 10 Plus, or the regular Note 10, you are going to get $650. Could be a little bit more than that, but I think that's what it's going to be. If you have a Samsung Galaxy S10 5G or a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus or the Samsung Galaxy S10, you're going to get $550. If you have an S10e, it's only going to be $400. Now, if you have anything such as S8 Plus, S8, or anything below that, it's all going to start going down from there. So the S8 is going to be $250, and the more you keep going down, the prices are just going to fall. So that's for the Samsung. What if you want to trade in an Apple device? Here's the trade-in values. All right, so for the iPhone 11 Pro models, any size, you're getting $650. For the iPhone 11 and the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XS, you're getting $550, which is not bad. And if you have an iPhone 10 or an iPhone XR, that's going to be $400 trade-in value. And finally, if you happen to have a Google Pixel device, here's the trade-in values. So Pixel 4 XL and Pixel 4, and also the Pixel 3 XL and the Pixel 3, you're getting $400, which is not bad at all. And then you have the Pixel 3a XL and the Pixel 3a, and that's all the trade-in availability. Those are giving you $250 for a trade-in. So that is the trade-in information that I have for you guys. So we talked about the release date, we have talked about the pricing, and we have talked about the trade-in values. So these are the questions that people are asking. They want to be ready for what's to come. All right, so if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.